My people, what up, man? I don't show again. Oh. Today, I want to show now how they send traffic. Various ways where you go to get traffic to your blog. I'm waiting with traffic. Traffic now people where they visit your blog, where need what you get, where they read your blog, where come your blog, or where go come your blog. Okay, that be traffic. So there are many ways where they get traffic. One is direct traffic. Direct traffic now people will be like say they know your website name, gone. They know uploaded.com. They go their browser, type and they visit them. That one way they visit people blog. Number two is search traffic. Search traffic now those wey be say people go Google, then they search for important information. Let's say that they search for how to migrate to Canada easily. As a searcher, your website don optimize and you get valuable content. Google will show your content for the Google page. They go visit your website through there. Three is social traffic. Sorry. Number 3 and 4 go work together. Most start with number 3. Social traffic. Social traffic now those from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you know those various social platforms, right? So the idea, especially Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and the rest, the idea is for you to build fan base around this social network, right? You can have a fan page, you build fan base, then you begin to post content, you put your link, people will visit your website from there. That's it. Then the fourth way is paid traffic. Paid traffic now the one we say you go social platforms like Facebook, you tell Facebook say, hey, I want to set up ad. Oh yeah, they send people, they come my website. Sharply, you understand? So Facebook will send people go your website. You go to pay Facebook. Now so I go tell you do now pricing bargaining. So you go to pay Facebook, they go to send people they go your website. So it clear, I be no clear. If you clear, it good. If you no clear, now you know. Until then, I don't mean.